I am Bettina McKinney, the proud principal of Highland Heights Elementary School, and I am speaking on behalf of myself.
How difficult did you find it, not just for your teachers, but for your admin team, to actually go into the classroom while instruction was taking place and tweak learning as you went?
As leaders, we're always used to watching instruction happen and then picking different pieces, bite-sized things that we can change, but to have that conversation after the instruction has happened. And so coaching in the moment makes sense, but it was a uncomfortable shift. Highland Heights has been a low-performing school for at least the last 12 years,
Wow.
And I've been working diligently for 3 years trying to get the data to reflect the work that's taking place in the building. And when I'm telling you, I am bubbling on the inside because we have double-digit gains. I'm talking about 22% gains in math and 24% gains in the meets level of math and 27% gains in science. It's amazing. And to see what we have been able to do this year with kids, this makes me want to go 20 more years to keep pushing for success for kids. And my teachers, they were like, this is amazing, this is great, but we still got work to do. Because I always tell them,
I love it.
Until 100% of the kids are at or above grade level and exceeding, we still got work to do. I feel like I grew the most this year with leadership density because I was pushed as a principal. And in the coaching and feedback and all of those different things, I feel like I was able to push my leaders. Since it's already public, I can say that I did have 2 of my leaders promoted to principals this year. So leadership density shows in the data because they are now principals and they are now leading schools and getting ready to lead schools to do the great work that they also did at Highland Heights. So I would say leadership density is the biggest place that I have grown as a leader this school year.